Let's learn first the word pinhod. Pinhod, to desire something, like, love, and want. Hello, have a great day to everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abraham and I'll teach you some Ifugao romantic phrases. Shout out nga pala kay Rotaku. Your request is here. So I have here some list of romantic phrases. Actually, it's written in English, Filipino, and of course, I'll translate it to Ifugao. So let's start. Let's learn first the word pinhod. Pinhod, to desire something, like, love, and want. So let's have here the first phrase, which is the best one. I love you. In Filipino, mahal kita. And in Ifugao, pinhodda ka. Pinhodda ka. Can you say it with me? Pinhodda ka. Next, do you love me? In Filipino, mahal mo ba ako? In Ifugao, pinhodak kehea. Pinhodak kehea. Next phrase is yes, I really love you. In Filipino, oo, mahal kita talaga. And in Ifugao, pinhodda ka nga talaga. Pinhodda ka nga talaga. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. In Ifugao, pinhodda ka. Pinhodda ka. I like you. Gusto kita. Pinhodda ka. So, like, love, and want is similar with pinhod. Next phrase, I want to see you. In Filipino, gusto kitang makita. And in Ifugao, pinhodda kan tigon. Pinhodda kan tigon. Can you say it with me? Pinhodda kan tigon. Right. I want to marry you. In Filipino, gusto kitang pakasalan. Ifugao, pinhodda kan ahawaon. Pinhodda kan ahawaon. Or, pinhodda kan ikasar. Pinhodda kan ikasar. Next, what time shall we meet tomorrow? Anong oras tayo makikita bukas? In Ifugao, nganen oras tan mun tinnigoh bigat? Nganay oras tan mun tinnigoh bigat? Next, where shall we meet? Filipino, saan tayo magkikita? And Ifugao, danay puntig gowan ta. Danay puntig gowan ta. Next phrase, you're so cute. Filipino, ang cute mo talaga. Ifugao, nak cute ka. Nak cute ka. Next phrase, can I see you again? Filipino, pwede ba kitang makitang muli? And Ifugao, mabalin an ahida kabot tigon? Mabalin an ahida kabot tigon? Mabalin an ahida kabotigon. And how to say heart in Ifugao? Heart in Filipino, puso. And Ifugao, puhu. Puhu. We make the letter SH. Puhu. Next phrase. Are you free this weekend? Filipino. Libre ka ba sa katapusan ng linggo? And Ifugao. Maid atom hiaduanin Domingo? Maid atom hiaduanin Domingo? Maid atom aduanin Domingo? You're so handsome. Filipino. Ang gwapo mo. And Ifugao. Nakaguwapo ka. Nakaguwapo ka. Nakaguwapo ka. You're so beautiful. Filipino. Ang ganda mo. Ifugao. Nakapintas ka. Nakapintas ka. With feeling. Nakapintas ka. Say hi to the cat. Meow, meow, meow. When can I see you again? Filipino. Kailan kita ulit makikita? Ifugao. Kanuna da kabon ahitigon? Kanuna da kabon ahitigon? Kanuna da kabon ahitigon? I'll call you. In Filipino, tatawagan kita. Ifugao. Ahida ka tawagan. Ahida ka tawagan. Ahida ka tawagan. So, hanggang dyan na lang po muna tayo. Pag may request po kayo, feel free to comment down below.